Hi Angela, I'm Wynn from Digital Energy Web Services, and I have made this video for you that I promised to get you more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can have a website and optimize it to be discovered more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. So there's a couple of different companies that I want us to look at today. These are your main competitors in Barria. The first one is Sargent's. And this one is the first one on the map pack. And so one of the things that I want to talk to you about is content on your website. We really recommend about 1,500 or more words of content on your website. And as you can see, Sargent's has 1,398. So that would be perfect, about to beat them out. I was very surprised because even though Sargent's is the first on the map pack, they are not first on the organic search in Google. So we'll talk about the company that is first on Google here in just a minute. Sargent's is looking really good though. I believe that they have ads put out. They also have 954 backlinks and 187 domains that those backlinks are coming from. Now, all a backlink is where you go to a website, like a blog especially is one of the big ones, and you're able to put a link back to your website, and the link then transfers power from that website to your website, which in turn gives you more power with Google. They're doing pretty well with Google. The UR is their homepage trust factor, and the DR is their overall web page. And you want to try and get these numbers as close as possible with each other. So they're doing pretty well. Another thing that we're going to talk about is keywords. So in the content that we were just discussing, you want to have location-specific keywords that people actually search for. Now, as you can see, they're being found for quite a bit, and it's bringing them in quite a bit of traffic. I think they must be a very well-known company because everything starts with Sargent, which is, of course, the name of their company, except for the custom concrete in Timmins, and I'm assuming Timmins is a city nearby. So even if we could just get the custom concrete Timmins, that's going to bring you in probably about 15 to 20 calls to your business or clicks on your website. But we'd be going for more of those. I'd have to do more research and find out exactly which keywords that we would want to go for. But that's the general gist that you can get from it. So you can get anywhere from 20 to 100 calls per month just from your website, which I think is really great. This looks like a really good area to be able to do the search engine optimization and be able to get business from it relatively quickly. The next one we're going to look at is Barria Concrete. Now, as I said, they're the first ones in the organic search on Google. I was very surprised that they were so high because they only have 273 words of content, and they don't have a whole lot of information with Google. So that tells me that even though we really want to beat Sargent's, just getting you first on the organic search of Google and then second on the Google Map Pack, in the process of beating Sargent's, but this by itself would bring you in a lot of business. So let's see here. The last thing that I want to talk to you about are citations. And all a citation is your name, address, and phone number on different directories across the web. We have Yelp, Super Yellow Pages. There's lots of great contracting directories you can get your name, address, and phone number on. And those really help with the Google Map Pack or the Google My Business. And it's one of the easiest ways to get onto the first page of Google. Now, I know you're looking for low-cost solutions, and I have a lot of different ways that we can get you ranked on Google for different prices. And it's definitely something that I would like to discuss with you if you're open to it. Now, you're more than welcome to do the research on the information that I've given to you today and do it yourself. I'm totally cool with that. Or we can have a discussion and see if there's something that we can work out for you. I really enjoy hearing back about some feedback on the video, and I just hope you have a fabulous day today, Angela. Thank you so much.